They've been for 13 years. Well, here to tell us what this means for us and our finances is our very own economics and business editor, Liam Halligan. Well, Liam, how is it going to affect us?
As expected, the Bank of England have raised interest rates to 1%. Before that global financial crisis in 2008-9, interest rates used to be up at 4-5%, even double digits back in the 90s, as we will remember. But they've been ultra low since 2009, over the last decade, and they're now going up. The Federal Reserve in the US raised interest rates yesterday. The Bank of England's raised interest rates today, the fourth time in as many months. There's big momentum. And what that means is it's a little bit better if you've got savings. If you're lucky enough to have some money in the bank, you should get a bit more money, though the banks are often quite slow to pass on those rate rises. It's for people who are indebted that this will really hurt. If you've got a mortgage, then your mortgage rate will go up. If you're on a variable rate and, you know, an extra, what we say is 25 basis points, that means 0.25%, which is what the Bank of England's done today, from 0.75 to 1%. That's going to cost you a couple of £100 on an average mortgage a year, on top of your tax rises, on top of price rises. So a lot of people will feel that. Also on credit card debt, Gloria, the Bank of England's also released some numbers which won't be noticed today because everybody's focused on the interest rate decision, but I'm going to highlight them. They show that credit card debt now in the UK in March was 10% up on March in 2021. That's a big increase over just 1 year, the stock of outstanding credit card debt, because clearly a lot of households are struggling to make ends meet and they're starting to stick, you know, spending on their credit cards. Well, credit cards are on a standard variable rate. That credit card borrowing is now going to become more expensive. So I strongly urge you, if you have got credit card debt, do whatever you can within reason to pay off that credit card debt.